The Osmo Action 3. I enjoy the camera. It's just the action cameras not like they used to be anymore in 2023, if you ask me. And why? They got a lot going on with them. They got so much stuff in them that you'd be overwhelmed in using them. Oh, you got 10-bit color. You ever use 10-bit color? Is your machine 10-bit to begin with? Or does it cost a lot of money just to get a machine and a lot of horsepower? One, two, three, and a pigeon laying down on the floor. It's not going to move. I'm going to have to try to avoid it. I don't love pigeons, but I'm not going to run a pigeon over if that didn't move when that car went by. I only saw 3 pigeons move. The other one just flew away. Now, I got a garage door opener from Craftsman, Chambermaid. I think I have to go write them a letter because the remote control is not working now. I guess I have to reset it. Every time you push that button in and out, you know what happens. It wears out. How could it wear out in under a year's time? I just don't get it, Chambermaid. I don't get it. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the how-to channel. And that's what my channel was all about and is still all about. I do a lot of how-tos. So yeah, I do a ton of car video, I do a ton of product video, I do a ton of these videos, and I do a ton of those videos. If you want to see a video, just give a shout. Tell me what you want me to put on out. We're heading in the wee hour to Home Depot, and I'm looking for some acetone. I'm looking for a certain chemical. I know it when I'll see it. I don't want a large can, I want a small can. I don't want to be able to take paint off the steps, old age paint. Now, I heard acetate will take off etching in the window. I think everybody has an excuse of what may work for them and may not work for them. They just want to tell you, hey, use some dishwasher soap and water and virgin vinegar, distilled vinegar, that'll take everything off. Baloney. See those 2 people there? They just dumped that trash over there. I could do the same thing, but no, we go to a dumpster to dump out trash. That's New Yorkers, man. They do what they want. What can I tell you? I gotta get a barbecue, right? Smoke one, and Dino Glow. Oh, look, a Weber, $700. Oh no, but it's in front of the next grill. They don't put Webers really out here, but there you go. There's my gazebo. Never showed. Now the garbage is gone. You just don't get garbage, people, man. Everybody's starting to hang out at Home Depot's like its own home. Got what I came here for. Acetone. And I got some seeds. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see them right. So off we go. Why do people come so damn close to a car? I just don't get them. And so I'm going to be planting more lettuce. I'm going to be planting broccoli and get the thing going. Well, I do have a lot of work to do right now. And I got to clean up my backyard. I got reviews to do. I got a ton of stuff for the weekend, and it ain't going to be nice today. Well, maybe it is a nice day to do the work. Let me go get started.